In this video, I'll show you how to add headers and footers in Google Docs. If you want text to appear at the top or bottom of every page, Google Docs lets you insert headers and footers directly from the Insert menu. On a computer, Google says you can open your document, click Insert, then Page Elements, and choose Header or Footer. After that, you just type the text you want to appear there. So first, open your Google Doc on your computer. Then go to Insert, choose Page Elements, and click either Header or Footer. Once the header or footer area opens, type your text. This could be your name, a document title, a company name, a date, or anything else you want repeated across the pages. Now, if you want the first page to look different, Google Docs supports that too. Click inside the header or footer and then enable Different First Page. Google says this lets you use a separate header or footer on the first page of the document or section, which is useful for reports, essays, and cover pages. You can also use different headers or footers in different parts of the same document. Google says that if your document has sections, you can click the header or footer and turn off Link to Previous so that section uses its own separate header or footer. If you do not see that option, you may need to insert a section break first. If you want to adjust the spacing, Google Docs also lets you change header and footer margins. Click inside the header or footer, then go to Format, choose Headers and Footers, and open More Options. From there, you can set different margin sizes for a section or for the whole document. Google notes that setting the margin to 0 removes the extra header or footer space. If you are using the Google Docs mobile app, the steps are a little different. Google says you should open the document, tap Edit, tap More, turn on Print Layout, and then tap the header or footer area to type your text. So on mobile, make sure Print Layout is enabled first, or the header and footer area may not be visible. And if you ever want to remove one, just double-click the header or footer on a computer, click Options, and choose Remove Header or Remove Footer. That gives you a quick way to delete it without affecting the rest of your main document text. So the full process is simple. Open your document, go to Insert, choose Page Elements, add a header or footer, type your text, and then customize it with options like Different First Page, Link to Previous, or margin settings if needed. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.